Dear students, let's let us go to the poem. Poem number 9, Benjamin Goes Swimming, written by Eileen Fisher. Let us read this poem and enjoy. Benjamin Jones, in confident tones, told his wife on the 4th of July, I think I'll compete in the free for all meet. I bet I can win if I try. But his wife said, my word, how very absurd. You haven't gone swimming for years. With others so fast, you are sure to be lost. And I will blush to the tip of my ears. Well, the fourth quickly came, and waiting acclaim were wonderful swimmers galore, each poised in his place for the start of the race. While spectators crowded the shore, the contest began, and Benji, poor man, was passed on the left and the right. His pace was so slow that a crab saw his toe and thought it would venture a bite. Ben noticed the crab as it started to grab, and perhaps the result can be guessed. The thought of his toe in the claw of his foe made him swim like a swimmer possessed, and the crowd on the shore sent up a great roar as Ben took the lead in the dash, while his wife on the dock received such a shock she fell in the lake with a splash. Now I read this poem to you. Now let's go to the poem and its explanation line by line. One day, Benjamin Jones, in a very confident voice, tone means voice. In a very confident voice, he told his wife. What he told? He had gone into the village and he had seen a notice, and on that notice board a notice was pasted, and in the notice it was stated that on the 4th of July there will be a swimming competition and it is free for all. Anybody can participate in this competition. Benjamin saw this notice and he came to his wife. He came back and told his wife that on the 4th of July there is a swimming competition, and in that swimming competition I am going to take part in that competition, and that competition is free for all, means anybody can participate in that meet or in that swimming competition. So I am very confident to win that race or swimming competition. That's why he says, on the 4th of July, I think I will compete in the free for all meet, and I bet I can win if I try. And he also told her that if he tries if he tries in that competition, then he will win that competition. He will come first in that competition. He told it in a very confident voice. Understood? Here, rhyming words here. Jones tones. Usually rhyming words in the poem comes in the at the end of the lines, but here middle and last. Look here, Jones tones. Next, I think I will compete in the free for all meet. And he expressed his desire or wish to take part in that competition, and he was 100% sure that if he tries in that competition, if he tries hard in that competition, then he can win that prize, or he can come first in that competition. This thing he told his wife in a very confident voice. But his wife said, here his wife is not 100% sure, even 1% also she is not sure. Why? Because she knows it very well that Benji is very weak swimmer, or he has not taken part in any competition before. But his wife said, my word means here she is greatly surprised and shocked when her husband told her that he was going to take part in the competition. She was greatly surprised and shocked when he told this his desire to take part in that competition. His wife was greatly surprised and shocked. How very absurd, how foolish it is. Absurd means foolish. How, my dear husband, this is very foolish. You are talking like a foolish person. You haven't gone swimming for years. For many years you have not practiced well. To take part in a competition, we have to practice. We have to practice continuously, and hard work and effort. Hard work and efforts are necessary for that competition. But these two things are lacking in you. These two things are lacking in you. You are not a good swimmer, and you have not gone for swimming for many years. And how can you participate in that competition? You haven't gone swimming for years. Benjamin's wife, she was not 100% sure that he would win the competition. That's why she told him that it is a foolish. You are talking like a foolish person. It is your foolishness, and you have not gone for swimming for years. To take part in any competition, continuous practice and hard work is necessary, but that is lacking in Benji. With others so fast, and one more thing is, other swimmers will be very fast. You have stopped your practicing many years ago, and the other swimmers will be very fast, and you are sure to be last. And if you take part in that competition, your number will be in the last, not in the first place, but your place will be in the last. And with others so fast, you are sure to be last, and I will blush to the tip of my ears. And if you take part in that competition and you win the match, if you take part in that competition and if you win that competition, swimming competition, if I hear that news of your winning in the competition, I will feel very shy. I will feel very shy. Shy means what? Blush means shy. To feel shy. ನಾಚಿಕೆ ಆಗೋದು. Usually, girls or women, they feel shy on many occasions in their life. Well, the fourth quickly came. As declared by Benjamin, he did not take back his words. He took part in that competition. As well, the fourth quickly came and waiting acclaim. And waiting acclaim. Here acclaim means to praise, to give support to their competitors or participants. To support the participants, many spectators had come there to see the competition, as well as to encourage those participants. And the spectators, they are encouraging their participants. And waiting acclaim were wonderful swimmer galore. And who were there present in that competition? Who were present in that competition? Wonderful swimmers, very expert swimmers. They had gone there. Very wonderful players, wonderful swimmers, and expert swimmers had gone there to see the competition. And all the participants as well as spectators, they were excited. They were very eager to see the start of the match or competition. Each poised in his place for the start of the race, and each competitor was ready in ready position, and they were waiting for the start of the race. Let us stop here.